In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save as JPG in Canva. If you are creating social posts, email graphics, or a quick mockup, JPG is a great choice because it balances image quality with a small file size. Let's walk through the exact process so you can export clean, lightweight images every time. First, open any design you are working on in Canva. It can be a blank canvas you just started or something you've already finished. Make any last tweaks now. Check your text, alignment, and colors. Because the exported JPG will look exactly like what you see on the canvas. Next, head to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button. This opens a panel with Publish and Export options. From here, choose Download. You are not posting or sharing a link. You are grabbing a file you can store on your device. In the Download panel, look for file type. By default, Canva may suggest PNG or another format. Click that drop-down and select JPG. JPG is ideal for photographs and designs with gradients, and it keeps file sizes small for faster uploads to websites and social platforms. Before you export, adjust the settings to match your needs. You'll see a size control that scales the dimensions of your design. Increasing the size sharpens the image but also increases the file size. So use it when you need larger outputs. You'll also see a quality slider, usually from 1 to 100. Higher numbers preserve more detail. Lower numbers compress the file more. For most web uses, a range around 70 to 85 offers a good balance of clarity and speed. If your design has fine text or logos, lean higher to maintain crisp edges. If you are sharing a quick preview or a draft, you can slide a bit lower to keep the file lightweight. When everything looks good, click the Download button to finalize. Canva will process the file and save it to your default downloads location. If you are on the mobile app, it will save to your device's gallery or files. From there, you can rename it, organize it into a project folder, or upload it to your site or social platform. That's it. Thanks for watching.